Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's learn a topic from physics, that is units and measurements. Subscribe the channel, enable the bell icon to get all notifications. Let's start. Physics, units and measurements. Units are of two types, fundamental units, derived units. First, let's see the definition of fundamental units. Fundamental units are the units of fundamental quantities which can be derived from any other quantities like length, mass and time. So, fundamental units are those units which cannot be derived from any other quantities like length, mass and time. But derived units, we can derive it from any other quantities like length, mass and time. Fundamental units can be expressed in three kinds of measuring systems, such as CGS, MKS and FPS. The three kinds of measuring systems are CGS, MKS and FPS. Now let's see the fundamental quantities, its units in different measuring systems. Here CGS indicate centimeter, gram and second. MKS indicate meter, kilogram and second. And FPS indicates foot, pound and second. So first let's start with length. The unit of length in CGS is centimeter and unit in MKS is meter and it is in FPS is foot. Next one is mass. The unit of mass in CGS is gram, in MKS it is kilogram, in FPS it is pound. Next one is time. The unit of time in CGS, MKS and FPS all are same, that is second. FPS is also known as British system of units. So FPS is also known as British system of units. The unit of time is same in all the systems. SI system is the modified form of MKS system. So SI system is the modified form of MKS system and SI expansion is System International and SI system is the globally approved form of unit system. Seven base units in SI system. Now let's see the 7 base units in SI system. Base quantity, name and symbol. First one is length. The unit of length is meter in SI system and its symbol is small letter m. Next one is mass. In SI system, the unit is kilogram and its symbol is kg, small k and small g. Next is time. The unit is second and the symbol is small letter s. Next one is electric current. Electric current, the unit in SI system is ampere and the symbol is capital letter A. Next one is temperature. Unit is Kelvin and the symbol is capital letter K. Next one is amount of substance. Unit is mole in SI system, that is MOLE, mole, and its symbol is small letter MOL, mole. And last one is luminous intensity. Unit of luminous intensity in SI system is candela and its symbol is small letter CD. So luminous intensity, unit is candela, symbol is CD. So that's all about today's class. If this video is beneficial, please like, comment, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.